There's many issues and concerns that people have, and oftentimes they're mild, though they may see these issues as bigger than they are. The key with facial rejuvenation is to tailor the treatment to the patient's concerns and needs, okay? To yield predictable but very natural looking results. Sometimes the choices of procedures for rejuvenation can be daunting, and at Reflections we developed a paradigm which we call the 5 R's of rejuvenation, namely relax, refill, recolor, refine, and retain. Relax means using Botox to relax the muscles that are causing deep lines on the face. By refill, we're using dermal fillers to restore the youthful contours of the face, to fill the deep creases and furrows. Recolor means treating the redness and the browns, color concerns on the face. We use a variety of lasers for that. By refine, we're using lasers to stimulate collagen. That's Smooth Beam, Fraxel, the Restore laser, and the Refine laser. And retain are topical products to help stimulate collagen and also the maintenance of the results we're able to achieve with the lasers. So the 5 R's of rejuvenation is a paradigm we use to help explain treatment alternatives, to simplify the process, to give our patients control over their options. The demand and the desire for non-surgical alternatives have exploded over the last decade, and there are many different technologies that can be used for this purpose. However, for certain individuals, surgery really is the proper alternative. And for that reason, we have a surgical team here to provide consultations and to give our patients surgical alternatives. For most patients, it's non-surgical, minimally invasive treatments that they desire. And for this reason, we have assembled an array of technologies and procedures that have minimal to no downtime. And very often we're using these technologies in combination to achieve synergy, where 1 + 1 is 3, where the combined effect of using these technologies is better than the sum of the parts.
I've had Restylane done around the deeper lines in my face, and he always tells me which side he can tell I sleep on based on the puffier side. I've had Botox, and they've gotten rid of all the lines on my forehead, but I still have expression, which is really important to me. The Fraxel was really key for me because my biggest fear is skin cancer, and all those marks are gone. And I come and check every 6 months with him now, and he does the procedure to be sure that new things aren't popping up on my face. Plastic surgery was not an option for me. I'm not really into having any official surgery. So his non-invasive, partially invasive procedures were exactly a perfect match for me. I'm a personal fitness trainer, so I didn't want to not have work and have downtime. So he explained to me that everything he does, I can go right back to work same afternoon. And that was important to me.
And we did my first Fraxel 2 years ago, and it changed my life. I had more compliments on my skin. People would come up to me, people I didn't even know, say, "Your skin is so beautiful." I'd be like, "Really? No one has ever told me my skin looks so beautiful before." So I continued doing a few more things, some radius, some different fillers, and did one more Fraxel about a year after that, and I just feel like it's changed my life.